Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate your credit score in 2026 with also AI help. So if you are doing by your hand manually, you will need to know your payment history, um, amount owed, length of credit history, new credit, hard inquiries and credit mix, and then you will also need to know how to calculate your credit utilization ratio. But if we are going and use an AI, we basically don't need to know um, every calculation in. So yeah, let's help ourselves with an AI. So let's put here some text. First, I will put in and tell him how he needs to act. So as a certified financial planner, then I will explain him what I have. So let's give him an overview what we have. So I have a lump sum of $2,000 to pay down my debt today. I need you to calculate my current credit utilization ratio and tell me exactly how to allocate this cash across my cards to maximize my credit score calculation. Then what I'm going to also give him is my current credit card data, just like that. And then I will also tell him what he needs to provide me. So I will give him something like that. Okay, so he will give me my current utilization for each individual card, my current aggregated total utilization across all cards, and step-by-step payment plan for my $2,000 to optimize my score, and my project new utilization after the payment is made. And now let's hit send the prompt, and the AI will start optimizing and calculating my inputs, and we will see what we get. Now, as you can see, we have here first current utilization per card. So card 1, card 2, card 3, like so. Now the second step is calculating basically current total aggregated utilization. So we have total balance, total credit limits, and aggregated utilization. Then yeah, here we have one card at 90% utilization, and credit models strongly penalize any card above 80 to 90%, overall utilization above 30%. Now he suggests that we put $2,000 towards card number one, and explains why is option optimal. So we have card one, utilization 90% utilization. Then we have 50%. This creates the largest scoring improvement because you eliminate the extremely high utilization penalty, you dramatically reduce revolving risk signals, and card 2 is already at a relatively healthy 20%, and card 3 already helps with available credit capacity. Now, final optimized outcome we have here also shown, and also additional scoring insight. And yeah, you are landing exactly at 30%, which is substantial improvement already. And yeah, also everything double check if it's correct and that you want something like that. So always be sure that you don't really trust those AIs, but yeah, I think here it looks pretty okay. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can calculate credit score with help of an AI. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.